everybody has heard of or tried to solve the incredible Rubik's Cube. Some people solve it in a matter of minutes. Others are still trying to work it. There have been books on how to solve it and books on how to read the books on how to solve it. Well, we found a Rubik's Cube that anybody can solve. This Rubik's Cube solves itself every 30 seconds. It's 6 feet by 6 feet, undoubtedly the world's largest. Building it took a world of planning. The High-Sign outdoor advertising firm of Knoxville will transform this little 3-inch by 3-inch piece of plastic into a 6-foot mass of welded steel. Getting the steel to stay together may be a problem, but Ernie Gammon of High-Sign says not for these guys.
Our guys did the actual building, and they're pretty good. We probably had some, but they didn't all the way. It was smooth sailing.
I believe that's about all we can get out of this one.
Well, let's spin it again and see if we can hear any more noise.
It's going to be a perfect replica of a Rubik's Cube. But being perfect does have its problems.
What happened to that? What happened to that one?
It sort of folded up around itself.
Finished product, and the question everybody's been waiting for: how in the world does it solve itself?
Well, it's just a small electric motor of 1.6, I think, and it would be. It also has the gearing mechanism that both end columns will rotate counterclockwise and clockwise. So all that it'll take is just to plug it in, and it will actually work. I think every third revolution, the cube will be solved.
Well, now that you've got the easiest answer to the world's largest puzzle, how do you tell the world about it? Hey, wait a minute. How about the Hungarian pavilion at the 1982 World's Fair? After all, the creator, Mr. Rubik himself, will see it eventually when he visits the fair. Good idea. Now, how do you get the thing over there? This thing here.
What the hell is it?
It's a giant Rubik's Cube.
Oh my God, this is gonna work. You?
Not me.
If somebody's gonna handle it with their hands, I'd like to see the giant that's gonna do it.
This little thing that you work, you twist around. Yeah. That's a giant one right there for the world's
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I see it now.
It's all right. I like
sweet home. Remember now, the whole world's going to watch it solve itself, so it has to be placed just right.
Put these back up here. I think what you can do.
A cube this size is a novelty. Solving a small one pretty fast is too. Obviously, the motors have an advantage in this big one in that several sides to the square are already solved. But as heavy as it is, cheating a little bit won't hurt.
How sweet it is.